Greg Afarian here, gregafarian.com and Virtual Media Realty, doing my market and news report for the week of February 8th, 2010. I don't know about you, but I've been having trouble just writing 10 on checks. Usually takes me a while, but geez, it's I don't know, it's a lot to get used to instead of writing 09 or 08, But anyway, we had a lot of things going on. One big thing in the news was Greece and their bankruptcy, on the verge of bankruptcy, and having a bailout by the EU, European Union. And, it's just par for the course. Now they're talking Spain, Italy, and a lot of these other smaller countries might be having the same problem. And, I'm going to talk a little bit later on another segment. I'll probably do a little bit of a rant on this bailout and how I see it. You can't continually bail people out. I mean, what about the individuals? I mean, how about them? You're bailing out big corporations, countries, things like that. What about the small people? Everyone forgets about them. But on a later date, I'll talk about that. Retail sales this week came out. They were all right. I mean, they had a modest gain of 0.5%. So that was okay. But there's been a lot of volatility in the stock market. Right now, the market is down 80 points, almost to 10,000. So we've seen a lot of volatility. Pretty much the market has been flat this week. It's been up and down. Yesterday it was down like 150 points, 180 points, I don't know. Sorry to not keep track because, I see a little bit more on the downside coming. I'm not a financial planner or anything, but it just seems like, typical profit taking. So just be careful. Oil was been okay. It's at $73. Gold is at $1,092. Those are two really key inflation guides for me. I would see that as the economy gets better, oil is going to go up. So I don't know how that's really going to work out. We really still need to do solve that problem. For our country with all the resources we have, we shouldn't having to pay $3 at the pump. I mean, call it how you want it, but we have a lot of resources in this country. But anyways, that's politics, and we won't get into that either, right? But 30-year was good. It went down a little bit to 4.94, down from 5%. The 15-year was unchanged at 4.33%. But one thing I do want to touch base on is Iran and, their president, that short little punk. I really want this country to wake up. I mean, who does he think he is? Hitler-like person trying to flex his muscles. You want someone to flex their muscles, buddy? We got to wake up. I don't know what the president is doing, whether or not he wants to admit it. They had said last week that we have a very high possibility in the next 6 months that we have a terrorist attack in this country. And he's out there in front of people's faces pushing his Obamacare. You know what? Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, Mr. President. Protect our people. Forget about health care. Our borders, our people, our country, national security. That should be the issue. It's ridiculous. I mean, it's just ridiculous. But that's politics. It's not really. I don't think that has anything to do with politics. This is national security, and that's top priority. But some people, I guess, don't see it that way. Anyways, Greg Afarian, let me know if you need anything this weekend, or send me a tweet. Greg Afarian out for now. Take care.